All right. Given an array of strings, words, return true if it forms a valid word square. A sequence of strings forms a word square if the kth row and column read the same string. So this and this is the same, this and this is the same. Okay. Fifth. And then you get the word like this. So I guess, are we just going to have to go through the loop and kind of check everything? Sure. Let's do this here. So if we do something like this, if we, on each loop, we kind of go this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, and compare it with, so for example, we're doing, take a number I. So I would be 0, 1, 2, 3, and then we would compare this with ith element of this thing. For I in range, length of words, I should be equal to, not I, words I should be equal to this thing here. Let's create an empty string here, for example. And then add s with, on each step, we're going to add this. So if we're on this line, for example, on each step, we're going to add these letters to it. So this would be words, J, I. Okay. You loop through this and then let's do this. And then we will compare this and then, okay. So this seems like something that could work. All right, let's see. See what's going on here. Words 1 would give you this, right? And then words 1, 1 would give you what? Should be an N, right? Yeah, so what's wrong here? Let's just print S for now. see what's going on here. Yeah, this looks like it works. True. And then what about this parameter? Does this work? Yeah, so if this, then, right? Yeah, this is the line. So how do you check in Python? Right. How to check if index exists in Python list. How to check if a list index exists. Yeah, this doesn't work if. Okay, yeah, let's use this. If I is smaller than this, right? Is this the correct way of doing it? All right. Yeah, this should work now. Nice. Okay, thanks for watching.